Kids, do you want to speak polite words instead of rude words? Stay tuned till the last second, and forget the rude English words.
The ending will make you smile. Welcome to Kids Planet Corner.
Rude English versus polite English. You are wrong.
You might be mistaken.
What?
Pardon?
Wait.
Could you hold on a moment?
Shut up.
Could you be quiet, please?
Give me that.
Could you pass me that, please?
Who cares?
It doesn't matter much.
You are late.
I was expecting you earlier.
That's your problem.
How can I help with that?
Leave me alone.
Could you give me a minute, please?
That's stupid.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Be quiet.
Could you lower your voice, please?
Do it now.
Could you do it now, please?
What's wrong with you?
Is everything all right?
You are wrong.
I disagree.
Shut up.
Quiet, please.
Wait.
Just a second.
Kids, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.
Liar.
Not true.
Go away.
I need space.
Sit down.
Have a seat.
None of your business.
That's personal.
This is a bad idea.
I don't think this will work.
Stop being lazy.
Try to be productive.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, kids.